Sextortion, a growing form of online crime, involves threats to share intimate and sensitive material, such as explicit images or videos, unless the victim complies with the perpetrator's demands. This malicious act can cause immense distress and harm to individuals. In this video, we will guide Facebook users through the process of reporting sextortion incidents on the platform. We're going to tell you exactly what to do. Welcome to the Blackmail.HelpLine channel, your ultimate guide to staying safe in the digital world. We specialize in sextortion investigations and have helped thousands of victims around the world. Using our proprietary tracking technology, we've maintained a success rate exceeding 90%, stopping cybercriminals from releasing our clients' private images or information. Let's get started. Recognizing the dangers of sextortion. Sextortion is not only a severe violation of personal boundaries, but it can also wreak havoc on an individual's reputation, relationships, and mental health. Recognizing the seriousness of this offense is critical, and taking preventive and corrective action is key to protecting both yourself and others. Reporting sextortion attempts on Facebook helps create a safer digital space for everyone. Step-by-step instructions: how to report sextortion on Facebook. Collect and preserve evidence. Before initiating a report, it's crucial to gather any evidence that supports your claim. This could include screenshots of threatening messages, emails, or any other communication related to the extortion attempt. Be sure to keep the evidence intact and unaltered. Modifying it could interfere with legal proceedings or investigations. Report the user on Facebook. Desktop instructions. 1. Sign into your Facebook account. 2. Visit the profile of the person who attempted to blackmail you. 3. Click the three-dot icon located on their profile. 4. Choose Report, then select Something's Wrong. 5. Pick Harassment or Bullying as the reason for reporting. 6. Add a clear and detailed description of the incident, including any relevant timestamps or specifics. 7. Attach the evidence you've collected, ensuring that it is securely stored and remains private. Reporting from the Facebook mobile app. 1. Open the Facebook app and log into your account. 2. Go to the profile of the individual responsible for the threat. 3. Tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner of the profile. 4. Select Report, then tap Find Support or Report Profile. 5. Choose Harassment or Bullying as the report category. 6. Describe the incident thoroughly, noting any dates or additional context. 7. Upload the evidence you've gathered, ensuring it's handled confidentially. Connect with Facebook support. After submitting the report, Facebook will assess the situation based on the information and documentation you provided. While waiting for their review, consider reaching out to Facebook support team via the Help Center or community forums for further assistance and clarification. Protect your privacy and digital safety. Both during and after the reporting process, prioritize your personal security. Review and tighten your Facebook privacy settings to reduce exposure. Update your passwords, especially if you suspect they may have been compromised. Also, remain cautious when receiving friend requests or messages from unknown users. Reach out for emotional and practical support. Navigating a sextortion case can be mentally and emotionally exhausting. Don't hesitate to confide in a trusted friend, family member, or mental health professional. You can also seek support from organizations and hotlines that specialize in online safety and victim advocacy for additional help and guidance. Reach out to Blackmail.HelpLine. At Blackmail.HelpLine, we specialize in stopping online sextortion and tracing anonymous perpetrators. We can help you stop the blackmail, identify criminals, preserve exposure, preserve digital evidence legally, trace hidden accounts and IP trails, remove leaked content, prepare your case for law enforcement, support your recovery confidentially. Sextortion is a damaging and emotionally taxing crime that impacts many lives. By reporting these incidents on Facebook, users play a vital role in pushing back against this type of exploitation and promoting safer online communities. Always remember to collect and safeguard your evidence. Carefully follow the reporting steps for both desktop and mobile platforms, and protect your privacy. Emotional support is just as important, so don't hesitate to lean on those you trust. Through awareness and action, we can all help fight back against the dangers of online blackmail. Helpful links and resources. To learn more, check out this link, which you can click in the description below, and feel free to comment with your questions. Or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and drop a comment if you want us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.